Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check previous Wi-Fi connections on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Start by going to your home screen and tapping on the Settings app. This is where you can manage all network settings and other configurations for your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Wi-Fi near the top of the list. This will open a screen where you can manage your Wi-Fi connections. At the top of the Wi-Fi screen, click on Edit and you will see the current network you are connected to and a list of Wi-Fi networks your iPhone has connected to in the past. This feature lets you manage and view details of previous connections. In the Known Network section, you will see each network name SSID that your iPhone has stored. Tap on any network in the list to view more options. Here you may be able to view some details like private Wi-Fi address, IPv4 address, and more. If you want to share the network with another device, you may be able to view the password from this screen if your iPhone has synced it through iCloud. Alternatively, if you'd like to remove a specific network from the saved list, simply select Forget this network. This will prevent your iPhone from automatically connecting to it in the future. That is everything you need to know about how to check previous Wi Fi connections on iPhone. That is everything you need to know about how to check sent messages on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.